Welcome. This is an introduction to the OWL Test Builder. I've just logged in, so let's get started. I'll go to the test list page using the building menu. To build a new test, you would click this Create button. I'll open an existing test by clicking the pencil here under the word Edit. Here are the controls for the overall builder. Save captures your changes in the test management system. Done will close the builder without saving. Bulk properties and bulk upload allow you to make changes to a large group of test elements at one time. There are separate videos to help you with these controls. Next are the controls for expanding and collapsing all items on your test. Notice how the details of the individual test items are now hidden. And here are the preview buttons, so you can see how your test will look to test takers. You can test all your settings, scoring, and randomization. Now let's spend a moment on test structure. The overall page represents the OWL test. The sections and their headers are included in the tan areas. This test has 2 sections, each with 3 items. Items that are grouped together in a set are in the same blue region and are separated by these dividing lines. So this second section might be a case where one of these items is picked from a set of 3. Next, I will review the content, building fields, and controls. This area displays the type of element you are working on. Next to it, you have the OWL name field. This is how you find things in the OWL list pages. These are the text prompts. As an example, what I type here in the section prompt will appear above every item in the section when the test is delivered. To work with the text prompts, click on the link. This launches the editor. Enter and format your text. Use Next and Previous to move through the prompts on the test. The title and shading will help you to navigate. You can also jump around in the test by clicking on the desired item. Be sure to click OK to apply your changes. Next are the media prompts. When media files are attached to an element, the appropriate icon will be shown in blue. Click on the icons to launch the media editor. Watch the video on uploading media files to learn more about this function. You can navigate through these prompts in the same way. These are the property controls. To use an example, if I wanted to give my test another section, I would go to the test level properties control. I can choose to add an existing or a new section. Let's make a new one. Now I'll go to the section properties. This is where I can add items to the new section. Let's add a multiple choice from my item bank. Click Existing, check the box, and select. The Properties Editor is also where you establish all your other test settings like layout and timing. Here is where you expand and collapse an individual item with its sub-elements. To remove something, use the Delete command. These are for reordering and grouping, and this is where you assign points. There are more detailed tutorials on both these functions. The OWL tracking number is displayed for you here. To capture your changes, always click Save before closing. Thank you for watching this overview of the OWL Test Builder.